So in the previous video we have learned how to use and create how to create and use function in JavaScript, and using that we have created a small application that is to calculate the simple interest. If we are having a amount, say we are having amount 1200 and interest over there is 10% and amount is added for 7 years, then it will calculate the total simple interest that we will get on this particular amount. Okay, so here we are going to create. Here in this video we will learn how to use the external JavaScript file. So here we have written JavaScript over here from this script to this script. Okay, this is what called as the internal JavaScript. So I just wanted to make this file as external JavaScript, so I'm just simply cutting this, just cut this from here, and I will go to create a new file, and here we copy these contents and I will save this file. In order to make external file you have to make a JavaScript file. So for this you have to go to save option, and here in your save type you have to choose JavaScript, and here you have to give the name of JavaScript, like say here you give to this name as script. Okay, simply I'm just giving this file name as script. Save this. Now this file is saved with the name of script.js. .js is the extension for the JavaScript file, and here we are having the main HTML file. So if I click on this, now I have not included JavaScript over here. So if I click on this 1200, here I have give the value rate of interest 10%, then term is equal to 7. Nothing is going to be happen over here because no JavaScript is included in this HTML file. So this is basically a static HTML file. I just wanted to make it interactive, so I have to include this script file into this. So for this I can include it in body section as well as in the head section, doesn't matter. So here I write script, then here I have to type is text or JavaScript. This is to tell the browser that we are going to call a script file that is either text or JavaScript file. This is just to inform the browsers, but today's our latest browsers are, if we don't write these things they will understand it. Okay, then here we have to give the source equal to, and then have to give the name of the file here. So in our case the file name of the file is script.js. Okay, so here we close this, script is closed. So this is not an empty element, that is having the starting tag and a closing tag. So here we go, save this, here refresh it. Now once again write the same code over here 1200, then if we write over here rate of interest 10% and number of years is 7. Okay, there it might be giving some problem, just we have to fix this. We are facing some problem over here. So what is the problem? Script, then here we have to give its type, we need now to write, then we have to make external script. We need now to use the script element over here. That's the reason it's not working. Okay, so we just have to save this. If we are using the concept of external site sheet, we need now to use the script element. That is, script element is used in HTML. So that's why just save this. Here we go, refresh this, and 1200, then rate of interest 10, then number of years 7. Here we go, click on the calculator. It's showing our the simple interest is 840. Okay, so this way we can use the concept of external JavaScript. The concept of using external JavaScript, that it doesn't make our program or doesn't make our HTML code so messy. If we come across any error over here, we can easily identify the errors and remove them if we use the concept of external CSS or external JavaScript. That's all for now. Hope you better understand. Hope you best.